The journey of coffee from seed to cup begins with careful farming and harvesting techniques. These processes are crucial in determining the quality, flavor, and overall characteristics of the coffee. Below is an overview of the key stages and methods involved in coffee farming and harvesting. A coffee farming planting. 1. Coffee is grown from seeds or saplings in nurseries before being transplanted to farms. 2. The plants take 3 to 4 years to mature and bear fruit, called coffee cherries. 3. Coffee farms are often established in regions with tropical climates, typically in shaded areas to protect the plants from direct sunlight and promote slower, quality-focused growth. Growing conditions. 1. Soil. Fertile, well-drained soils rich in organic matter are ideal. Volcanic soil is highly prized for coffee cultivation. 2. Temperature. Optimal range is 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. 3. Altitude. Higher altitudes are preferred for Arabica coffee, while Robusta thrives at lower elevations. Fertilization and pest control. 1. Sustainable farms use organic fertilizers and natural pest control methods to minimize environmental impact. 2. Conventional farms may use chemical fertilizers and pesticides, though there is growing interest in eco-friendly practices. Pruning and maintenance. 1. Coffee trees are regularly pruned to maintain manageable heights, improve sunlight penetration, and encourage healthy growth. Bee coffee harvesting. Coffee cherries are ready for harvest 8 to 12 months after flowering. Harvesting can be done using 2 primary methods: selective picking. 1. Only ripe cherries are hand-picked, leaving unripe ones to mature further. 2. Common in high-quality Arabica coffee farms. 3. Labor-intensive but results in better quality beans with consistent ripeness. Strip picking. 1. All cherries, ripe and unripe, are stripped from the branch either by hand or machine. 2. Typically used for Robusta or lower-grade Arabica coffee. 3. Faster and less expensive but may require sorting to remove unripe cherries. See harvesting techniques. Techniques can be seen in given Table D. Post-harvest processing. Once harvested, coffee cherries must be processed quickly to preserve flavor and quality. The primary processing methods are: wet processing, washed coffee. 1. The cherries are pulped to remove the outer skin, and the beans are fermented in water to remove the mucilage. 2. Cleaned beans are then dried. 3. Results in a clean, bright flavor profile. Dry processing, natural coffee. 1. Cherries are sun-dried as whole fruits, allowing the pulp and mucilage to impart flavors to the bean. 2. Results in a fruity, heavy-bodied coffee. Honey processing, semi-washed coffee. 1. The outer skin is removed, but some mucilage remains on the beans during drying. 2. Produces coffee with a balance of brightness and sweetness. 5. Sustainable farming practices. With growing awareness of environmental impact, many coffee farmers adopt sustainable practices. 1. Shade-grown coffee. Coffee is grown under native trees, preserving biodiversity and improving bean quality. 2. Organic farming. Avoids synthetic chemicals, promoting healthier ecosystems. 3. Fair trade and direct trade. Ensures farmers receive fair compensation and access to resources. Conclusion: coffee farming and harvesting require a blend of tradition, innovation, and sustainability. Techniques such as selective picking and wet processing are key to producing premium coffee, while sustainable practices ensure the long-term viability of coffee cultivation. Each step in the farming and harvesting process contributes to the flavors and aromas that coffee enthusiasts love.